Here's a quick lesson on how to unzip a file on your computer. We're going to go over both Windows PC and Mac computers. On a Windows PC, your downloads from the internet will generally get downloaded into your main downloads folder. You can find that inside Windows Explorer and look on the left navigation menu for the downloads folder. Once you've clicked that, on the right window, you'll see a list of all your recent downloads. The download, or the file we're going to unzip rather, is the You're My Cup of Tea. Generally, all you have to do on a Windows computer is double click to unzip or extract the files. Alternatively, you can hover over the file, right click, and then select Extract All from the pop-up menu. Once you do that, it will give you the option to put those files in a different folder. If you select the default, it will just unzip in your downloads folder. Alternatively, you can hit the word browse and look for a different folder on your computer. Once you're set there, just hit the extract button and it will extract or unzip all of the files within that zip file. If you're working on a Mac, you will navigate over to Finder and your files will generally download to your downloads folder. So you'll navigate to the downloads folder on the left, locate the zip file in the right window, and simply double click to unzip it. There's our unzipped file with all of the instructions and design files within.